Yeah, right inside the fish market. OLAYOMI fish market, long Koikimedia. Quite a lot happening behind me as well. And the weather is beautiful, extremely hot. Africa, long Koikimedia. It is called Africa. So what you're watching there are buyers haggling, trying to make sales. And right over there, so quite a lot is happening within my surroundings. And this is Koikimedia, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps. So, Muki Grandma, Princess Awoni, Iswamele Janimowai. Níbi tí wọ́n ti ń ṣe káràkátà àwọn tó ń ta ẹja. So wọ́n ṣe kó àwọn ẹja kan dé nísìnyí. Let's go. So mo kí gbogbo alẹ́ kan sí. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n tún lọ fi díẹ̀ nípa ibi tá a wà yìí. Ìsọ̀ ẹlẹ́ja ni. Ìsọ̀ ẹlẹ́ja ló ń pè bíbà. The weather is extremely hot. The weather is extremely hot. Tó fún ọ ní láti. So ìsọ̀ ẹlẹ́ja la wà yìí. So, ògbóni tá à ń wò yìí, ìsọ̀ ẹlẹ́ja ni. Níbi tí káràkátà ti ń lọ lọ́tùn lósì. So, that's exactly what is happening. Weather is bad. Hustling and haggling, Israel and River. Karakata. So that is the so you can see that they're working extremely hard. Extremely hard. It's not easy at all. While on the other side, I don't take job. I don't know what on the other side. So Koikimedia bringing the work closer to your doorsteps.